Hey, we are on day 10. I made it. You made it. We have made it through the 10 days, 10 benefit extravaganza of Bella Grace. And the previous 9 benefits that I gave you were all physical things that you are going to see, you're going to feel. And today, for benefit number 10, I want to give you a monetary benefit. We all care about our money. And I want to talk to you about, are you spending money on a product that is doing as much as possible for you? Maybe you're using a collagen that's addressing the type 1 collagen, or the type 2, or the type 3. There are 28 different collagens in your body. How about using a product that addresses all 28? You see, you can dump collagen into your body every day, and you might see a little bit of difference because you are putting extra collagen in. But at the end of the day, if you have not stopped your body from damaging the collagen that's there, you're just putting it in for it to run back out. Bella Grace is different because it has gone to the root problem. It has looked at what is causing your body to damage the collagen that is there. It's addressed how to trigger your cells and your genes to make the right decisions so that the damage is stopped and the rebuilding starts. That's where you start to see a difference. Think of it like your car. If your car is leaking oil, you can go out and you can put oil in your car every day before you go to work, come home from work, and your car engine is fine. But the next day you still need to put oil in it. It didn't stop the leak. Let's look at stopping the leak. That's what Bella Grace does. That's what it does differently from other collagens. Monetary wise, you can start Bella Grace. You can take a 30-day challenge. It's $121.50 to get a 30-day supply. It's a money back guarantee. And if you love it, you're going to pay $121.50 every month to get your 30-day supply sent to you. But Bella Grace didn't just stop being excellent in the elixir itself. As a company, they offer customers a way that a customer can get their product for free. So if you take the product, if you're using it, and you're going up and down the stairs and your knees aren't creaking, that's a win. If you notice the difference in how your eyes feel at the end of the day, when you're watching TV at night, it's not like you're rubbing your eyes anymore, that's a win. If you feel like, your hair is healthier than it's ever been, you have new hair growth, you're not, you've got thin spots that are thickening up, that is a win. Do you have 3 friends that would enjoy that same kind of win? Because Bella Grace has a U plus 3 equals free program. You are the customer, you have a subscription. If you tell 3 friends that get their own subscription using your unique customer link, then you get your box for free. Who else is doing that for you? Who else is giving you the opportunity to get your collagen, your all-in-one collagen, for free? If you say you like your car and your neighbor is looking at a new car and you're telling them, hey, this is what I have and I love it. I love these features. And you tell them 2 or 3 things that you love about it. They go test drive it and they buy it. Are you getting a kickback? I don't think so. No. You love a restaurant and you tell your neighbor or your friend or your coworker, hey, we went out to eat here. It was great. You should try it. If they go try it, are you getting a kickback? No, you're not. But when you use something and you like it and you are seeing benefits, you are going to tell people about it. And Bella Grace is going to reward you for telling your friends. It's not just an empty tale with nothing in return for you. You are actually going to get a return on how you are sharing about it. Now, let's just say that you're using it, you like it, you've told 3 people about it, they're using it, they like it, but you want to tell 5 or 6 people. You want to tell 10 or 12 people. You can change from just being a customer to being an influencer at no extra cost to you. You still get your free box, but now because you've told 12 people about it and those 12 people are using it, you're going to get your box for free plus a commission. Let's call it a commission off of the other people that are using it. And it didn't cost you a dime. You're not doing anything out of the ordinary. You're just sharing with the person in the grocery store line that is complaining that they're tired. They just don't know why they can't sleep. You're just telling them, hey, I started using this all-in-one collagen, this crazy elixir, one packet that I rip and sip a day, and it's made all the difference in the world for my sleep. You should try it. They go try it, and you get to earn a commission off of that. Now, let's just say that those 12 people that you've talked about, they're all going and telling their friends about it, their coworkers about it, their family about it. You can upgrade to an ambassador. At that point, you've got $50, some skin in the game, but you're getting your box for free. Then you get to earn commission off everybody that you tell and everybody that they tell. It's a no-brainer. So what is your current collagen doing for you on that? You know, maybe you are a consultant for another company and you do get commission, but do you have a chance to get your product for free? I've bought 1 box of Bella Grace Elixir. 1 box. Everything else since that 1 box, I've gotten for free because I'm sharing about it, because I'm seeing benefits and I don't want to keep my mouth shut about it. I'm going to tell people when I'm hearing that they're not sleeping, when I'm hearing that they're not happy with their hair, when I'm hearing that they're just walking around in this fog, they can't get their thoughts and their words and everything lined up. I'm going to share that, hey, I don't know if this is for you, but it's worth a 30-day challenge to find out. What if it is? What if it is the thing that makes the difference? And yeah, there might be an expense to start, but you totally have the opportunity to get it for free just by telling the people that you care about that, hey, I saw this benefit. What if you do too? So benefit number 10 is what is your current method of taking collagen? What is it doing for you? Is it stopping the leak? And financially, is it the best option for you? Think about it. Reach out if you are interested in doing the 30-day Bella Grace Challenge and seeing what 30 days does for you. It's a money-back guarantee. And if a 7-day sample to kickstart your body is what you want to see, just, what is this crazy stuff? Let me know. I will let you know how to get your hands on a 7-day sample so that you can kickstart your body. I hope you got some really good information out of this and that you're ready to try it. You're ready to do something for yourself. You're ready to make some magic happen in your body, because it's possible. We can stop that leak.